All right, so I am a seller. We're at a listing appointment. The goal is to get me to sign the listing. And we've gone through the listing presentation. And I say, Troy, it's been so great to meet you. We really like you. Seems like you guys have a good system going on. I have to be honest, though, I did meet with another agent, and they were going to take less commission. So we'd love to go with you, but the other agent said they'd take less commission. So can you match that? Will you take less commission?
Well, Rachel, thank you for being honest with me. Now I want to ask you a question. What's most important with you in the transaction of selling this home? Is it more money, getting it done quicker, or both?
For me, I want the most money. So our timeline can be a little flexible, but bottom line, I've got to net the most at the end of the day.
So your money is really important to you?
I need the money, yeah.
Okay. So had the other agent gone over everything that they're going to do as far as listing the property and how they're going to work with you and what their buyer pool is like in relation to what we're offering with what we do with Whissel?
Yeah, I mean, you guys both had really good marketing plans. I mean, it seems like you guys have a little more experience, which is great. It looks like you guys do a lot of the same things. I guess for me, it comes down to that commission. They were charging 4, you guys are charging 6.
Right. So on average at Whissel, we sell at 2% over asking price. In San Diego, the average sales price is 23% under list. So that's a 25-point gap in how much money you're going to make. Now I have a question for you. If that other agent was willing to drop his commission this quick with his money, how quick do you think he's going to be to drop your money?
Yeah, you have a point. Yeah.
So what I'd like to do is come over and meet with you and your husband, and let's get a listing agreement signed, and we'll go over all your other, there was no other, any other concerns that you have?
For us, yeah, it really just comes down to, money.
Okay. So my other concern with going with a chop shop agency who will drop their commission right away is how much time and effort are they going to put into your listing? Now, again, we sell.
Good job. Really solid. Give me your mic.
Oh yeah, thank you.
I don't know
All right.
what it was, but I love you.
So I'm a seller. We're at a listing appointment.
Okay, right on.
And you've gone through the presentation, and I say, Ian, this looks great. We really like you, but we just got to be honest. We did meet with one other agent, and we'd like to work with you, but their commission was lower. So if you're willing to drop your commission, we'd like to work with you. So is that something you're open to?
Yeah, first off, before we kind of dive into that, tell me a little bit more about, beyond just the commission differences, was their marketing plan pretty similar to what you've seen here today?
I think, overall, it seems like you guys have a few more sales and are a bigger team, which is great, but, marketing plan seems pretty comparable from what I could tell.
And what's the plan for after you sell your home? What's next for you and your family?
We want to move to Arizona, so be with our grandkids.
Amazing. How many grandkids do you have?
We've got 3 now.
3 little ones?
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Oh my God, that's amazing. Okay. Well, all I want to do is get you to Arizona, and are you going to be purchasing another house there?
We are, yes.
Okay, so I'm assuming getting as much money as possible from this sale is something that's really important to you.
Yeah, this is our retirement. We're going to buy a house down there, so it's a big deal to us.
Congratulations.
Thank
That's
you.
absolutely amazing. Okay, well, besides getting top dollar, is there anything else specifically that you're looking for throughout this process of selling your home?
Just, professionalism. We want somebody to just handle everything for us, but ultimately for us, it's the money. We really want to net the most out of this sale, and so we want to make sure that we're not paying somebody too much.
Gotcha, totally understand. Well, there's a lot of discount agents there that will take really whatever they can get. I would love to show you in a couple slides here how we're going to earn that 6% commission and still allow you to walk away with the most money possible. So if you'll see here, on average, not only do we sell homes in 14 days compared to the market average of 28 days, so you're going to get your money twice as fast, but we also, on average, sell for 2% higher than market competition. So can you see where that commission discrepancy comes in now that we have the data to back up getting you more money?
Yeah, I do like that. That makes me feel better.
All right, well, if you can feel confident that we're going to get you more money, especially more than that 2%, I say we go ahead, sign now, and we can get your home on the market, get you next to those grandkiddos in Arizona.
Sounds fair enough.
Right on.
said, Evan, you're going first. And he said, nope, you're going first. That's a hard one for me. Ooh, that's even harder. Troy, I feel like you're more personable in the conversation. I feel like you connected on a personal level a little bit better than Ian, but Ian's cadence, and he's following a path of direction that he knows he's going down. He's already thinking about what those next questions are, and he already knows how he's going to navigate it without it feeling like that. And I really, really think that that's a huge benefit when you can do that when you're talking to someone. You're navigating the path without them knowing it, and you're asking all the right questions. So I'm going to give that to Ian.
I feel like you guys both did a really good job. You guys, you attacked the objection kind of head on. I liked bringing in data to kind of support the fact that, hey, I would have loved to hear just in terms of like, what am I trying to say? I like juxtaposing we sell for more and that offsets that we charge less, or that we charge more. I like that you both attacked like, what is the other agent going to do if they're already cutting commission there? I think that was a strong line. I think that one point that I disagree with Lisa, I felt that that Ian, I felt was a little bit more connected in terms of, like your grandkids getting excited about that, asking about that, and digging into that kind of thing. I think an important factor as well, Troy did time out, and we didn't get to the close in the allotted amount of time. So I think that I agree. Where I agree with what Lisa said from Ian's performance is that you knew exactly where you were going. You've got a referral set up that we didn't even bring it up in this because we only had 2 minutes. But that was that was already in there, and I think I'm going to give it to Ian.
Both of you, great job, especially both of you isolating the objection. I felt like, Ian, you did a better job of weaving in her motivation along with the objection, and you touched on it again at the end, and then you also, closed with getting her to sign the listing. Troy, I think you backing it up with the facts was also very, very good, and I think it's important that we know those numbers. But I felt like Ian seamlessly weaved that motivation in with the objection handling all at the same time. So, Ian.